morning, mathematicians. Welcome to day 2 of module 2. Let's pop on over to lesson 2 in your problem set. Don't forget to put your application problem in the Mrs. Norton folder, making sure to do your very best work. We're in our problem set on lesson 2. Let's read the directions and see what we're doing today. Looks like the pictures we're drawing are a little bit different from yesterday's pictures. Yesterday we were making simple math drawings where we circled 10 and we had 3 pictures. Today, looks like we're using circles, some dark, some light, and some X's, maybe to show different parts. Let's see. The directions say circle the numbers that make 10. So that's the same as in lesson 1. Draw a picture, complete the number sentence. Let's look at the example. Okay, so number 1 gives us not a story problem, but raw numbers. 7 plus 3 plus 4 equals blank. Now, first they drew a picture. They showed the 7 here. 5 and 2, they made 7. Then notice how to make the 3. They used a different color. They made it lighter to show that the 7 is different from the 3. Do you see that? But then they circled the numbers that made 10. They saw that 7 and 3 made 10, which is why they put them together and put a box around it to show that's 10. Notice that they boxed 10 here and they boxed 10 here. And then the last thing they needed to show in the picture was a 4. And they also made the 4 look different. So the 7 is dark circles, the 3 is light circles, wobbly circles, and 4 are X's. Now let's look at the equation. 7 plus 3 plus 4, turning the 7 and the 3 into 10 as a number bond. And then we take the 10 and the 4 to make our last sentence, and 10 plus 4 is 14. Let's try number 2 together, starting with our picture. So our raw equation is 9 plus 1 plus 4, and I can see right now that the 10 and the 9 and the 1 make 10, right? Okay, so since the 9 and the 1 make 10, we're gonna draw them together in a box. So I'm gonna make my box, and I'm gonna start with my 9. I'm gonna use dark circles, just like they did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then for my 1, I'm going to draw a light circle. And then the last thing I need to show is my 4. So I'm going to do that with X's. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can see my 10 and my 4 make 14. So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to show that my 9 and my 1 from this problem made 10. And then the last add-in was a 4. And 10 plus 4 equals 14. And if I didn't know that yet, I could count my picture to help me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, mathematicians, so remember to do all the parts. Make sure to create your picture just like this, showing your 3 parts differently. Make sure that you circle the numbers that make 10 and that you answer the sentences. Don't forget the second page and to tear it out when you're done. Happy mathing!